Here's how to send large videos on your WhatsApp. So in this short tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can send large videos on your WhatsApp. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So in order to send large /HD/4K video files on your WhatsApp, you just basically need to go to WhatsApp in order to do that. And before everything, you just need to make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. To confirm that, you just basically need to go to App Store and basically type in WhatsApp Messenger. And there it is. And here, as you can see, my WhatsApp isn't up to date, but it has the newer update. The newer update just came out 2 days ago. But if you're like good and you were in a update before that, so you're pretty much good and you can do that basically. But yeah, mine just came out 2 days ago. It's not a problem. Like if you have a previous gen update, you should obviously update, and you should update if you got update. But yeah, you just gotta make sure that you're on the latest version, and I am pretty much on the latest version. The newest one came out 2 days ago. But yeah, you just gotta go into a chat, and once you're inside a chat, you just basically need to press on this plus icon on the corner. Once you do this, it'll show you all these options. So usually people select photos to send their videos and everything, but in case if you want to send larger videos or HD video files, so what you need to do is just basically go ahead and press on document, and it'll give you two options. And here it says send original files up to 2 GB in size. So you can basically send larger videos, alright? So we're just gonna go ahead and simply choose photo or video. And once inside, I'm just gonna go ahead and choose my album to my favorites and this video right over here, and then just basically press next. It's just gonna prepare the media, and here we go. Here, as you can see, it wasn't that long. It's only 99 megabytes, but you can send a video up to 2 gigabytes, so you understand it now. So yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can send large videos on your WhatsApp. So I hope this video helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.